Have you ever encountered this error, and how did you solve it?
On my VS Code, I'm using Bash on the terminal. You can see it's Bash selected here. So when I try to create a new React app, npx create React app, then maybe I call it project 70, just a random name. So when I click on enter, Bash tells me that node is not recognized. I think but when I try to check whether node is installed, node you can see I have node installed, version 20. When I try to use PowerShell on the terminal, just select PowerShell, I add another terminal here, and instead I use PowerShell and delete this bash. So in PowerShell, I will write the same exact command I have written on bash. Just copy this, and then on PowerShell I write the same. You can see it's the same command. When I click on enter, PowerShell is creating the project. So have you ever encountered this, and how have you solved it? Because I like using the bash command line. The most obvious solution is to check environment path to ensure that node is well put on the path. Like let me just check. The most obvious thing is to ensure that node is added into the paths well and configured in the right way. So this, I think it's on this PC. Then properties, yeah, this one. Properties, then we go to advanced system settings. Once we are on advanced system settings, this is the pop-up that comes when you click. Then we go to environment variables. That's where we add the node path. We check into the system variables, and then we check on this one, path. So on path, I'll click on edit to check the paths that I have configured here. And as you can see, we have C program files node.js. It's well configured. This is the right way to add it. So other than this solution, what else can you do about that error? Let me just know what you did in case you encountered one like that. Yeah, you can see on Bash, on PowerShell, the project is creating without any error. But when I use Bash, it's not working. Bash says node is not recognized. PowerShell is doing the work perfectly. So I don't understand. Let me know in the comment section how to solve that.